All the questions that I'm asking are for you and your opinion. You don't have to tell me why the world does it. Didi, why we should do it. No. But why do you do something? Or why do you not do something? So I'm asking for your opinions right now. Okay? So my first question is, why do you study?
Didi, I am studying because I want to become something.
Okay. Do you know what you want to become?
Teacher.
You want to become a teacher. So you study for becoming something. Alright?
And teach poor people.
Okay. Alright. That's why you want to become a teacher?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now, what do you like to study most?
Science.
Science. Okay. Can you say why?
Because there is very experiment.
Okay. So you like to do activities
Yes.
and study through that. Alright. Now, can you tell me, like we do a lot of different things in class?
Yes.
We study in a lot of different ways. And can you tell me something that you find easy to do?
Find question answer.
Find question answers from your book?
Yes.
Okay, so when you're reading.
Yes.
Alright. And something that you find difficult to do?
Complete the sentences.
Complete the sentences. Okay, particularly in exercises you find completing the sentences difficult. Okay, interesting. And you know, when sometimes I give you work and somebody, like some group or you alone, finish your work earlier than others, and other people are still doing their work, you have already finished it, and I've not given you extra work. What do you do in that time? An honest answer I want.
See capital letters.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And what if I give you something really difficult to do, something that you're finding very difficult? What do you do about it?
I can ask what is the meaning of this.
Do you ask group members every day? Okay. And what if your group also doesn't know?
Then I will ask you.
Then you will ask me. Okay. Do you ask me every day? So what happens to that question then? Do you just leave it? And that is what you should not be doing, right? Anyway, that's not about that. Now, can you give me some example of a lesson that you really enjoyed doing?
There is a chapter, electromagnets.
Okay. So you liked electricity, electromagnets. Okay. What did you like about the chapter?
How the switch turned on and light off.
Okay. So you're liking how the electricity is working in a circuit. Okay. And can you tell me an example of a lesson that you did not enjoy at all?
In symbol, electricity symbol.
In electricity only. So there was a part of electricity that you liked and a part of electricity that you didn't like. Can you think of a lesson outside of science that... Yeah.
When we in the paper food chain, animal food chain, I don't understand. I also not know this question.
So was it just food chain or was it that chapter only?
Chapter.
So you didn't really like the nutrition chapters. Okay. Can you think of why you didn't like it?
Because there is a difficult things in this chapter.
Okay. You think you didn't understand?
Yes.
Alright. So you enjoy things and you understand them, otherwise you don't like it.
Yes.
Alright. The lesson that you like, electricity wala, right? Can you think of some way in which the knowledge that you had in that chapter, you used it somewhere? Not to solve your question answers, but you used it somewhere else.
Did you tell how we can check a current? And I checked.
Okay, you went and checked. Alright. What do you think your strongest value is?
Hard work.
You're hardworking. Okay. Can you, like, why is it important for you to be hardworking?
Did I don't have it hard working, then I will become a teacher.
Okay.
Good teacher.
So you want to hard work so that you can become what you want to become. Alright. And can you give me an example of when you were hardworking, not in class, but for a different thing?
In study Quran.
Okay. That's interesting. So you work very hard on studying Quran?
Yes.
Alright. And you studying it in Arabic only or in Urdu?
And
So do you understand what you're studying?
yes.
All of it? Or you know how to, like, you understand Okay, that's interesting. ठीक है. Now, Mehak, Value is who you are, right? Strength is what you are good at. Correct? What are your strengths? Or any one strength, something that you think you're really good at.
In doing house.
And doing?
House.
And doing housework? What part of housework are you good at?
Making food.
Okay. So you cook well? That's interesting. And like, why is this important to you? Like, how does this strength help you?
Didi, when my mother is ill and I help to.
Does your mother get ill a lot?
Yes.
Okay, so then you help her in the house all the time. Okay, that's interesting. Now, what are I want you to think of something outside of school and home. I want you to think of a problem in your community. Okay, some problem that you know, some challenge in the community. And I want you to tell me what that challenge is, something that bothers you, something that troubles you. And I want you to tell me how do you think you can do something about it.
Didi, who is follow the rule, I can say you will
First, what is the problem that you're talking about?
clean city.
Okay, clean city. So you feel like the city is not very dirty. Okay.
Who is follow the rule, I can say you can do my help to clean city, and they say anybody, and they.
So you will start taking help of people who are following the rules. And then you will try and clean where you live.